Assalamu alaikum student, welcome to the e-classes of Sufa English High School. This is Shazia Khan, subject teacher of SST. Today I will be teaching for standard 6 geography, chapter number 3, comparing a globe and a map field visit. Friends, we have seen how meridians and parallels are drawn on a globe. We have also learned how they are used to determine the location. In this lesson, let us compare a map and a globe and understand the difference between them. Now, in this chapter, what they have explained that let me give you introduction about the globe. Globe is a man-made, okay? It's a three-dimensional spherical model of our planet Earth. Now, the globe shows exact shape, position of the continent, countries, ocean and seas. Now, maps are two-dimensional representation of the globe. They are drawn on the paper or board and help to study the specific limited part of the earth. See, this is the map they have given, and this is the globe they have given. Okay, now explanation. Now, as I told you, I will give you some more introduction on this. Now, in the first chapter, I showed you meridians and parallel on the globe. Now, we have to compare the difference between them. Means difference between the globe and the map. So, as map facilitate detailed study of the physical aspect of the earth. Now, the difference between globe and map. Now, globe is a spherical shape. Globe covers area in a broaded form, and maps are more detailed than globe. Now, globe is not very easy to carry around us. Map are easily we can carry anywhere. We can fold it, we can put it in the pocket and carry anywhere. Now, globe provides details such as capital of the country or any important places. Now, maps can include minute detail. मतलब minute detail in that area. You can just check out where is the street, where is the road number, and everything you can check out in the map, but not in the globe. These all things you cannot check it from the globe. Only you will get the detail in the map about the street and the road of a particular of a area. So these are the few difference about the globe and map. Now let me give you the example. You must have observed that maps are two-dimensional, whereas a globe is three-dimensional. Two-dimensional objects have length and width. The product of length and width defines area. Now, map are two-dimensional. If you see the map of India, this is the map of India. Now, if I show you the map of India, this map of India, it's a flat surface. ओके ये पूरा फ्लैट है, फ्लैट सरफेस है. एट द सेम टाइम वी कैन स्टडी ओनली एट अ पर्टिकुलर region. Now, map are two-dimensional. Why it is said two dimensional? Because the map has length, this side length, and the wide. It is two dimensional. Okay student, it is enough for today. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.